Hey everyone, welcome to our channel where we explore ways to make money online. In today's video, we will be showing you how to make $2,100 a week just using ChatGPT. That's right, ChatGPT, the artificial intelligence tool that can help you generate high-quality content, has the potential to make you tons of money as well. So if you're interested in making some extra cash, stick around because this video is just for you. Are you tired of your 9-to-5 and want to explore new ways to make money online? Do you want to learn about an artificial intelligence tool that can help you make $2,100 a week? If yes, then you're in the right place. I've got something really exciting to share with you, so just keep watching. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an opportunity to learn about making money online. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. We'll be happy to answer them. All right, let's get into it. Creating a passive income stream is a dream for many people. And with the rise of digital products, it's become easier than ever before. In this video, we will explore the secret to building a passive income stream just using ChatGPT, a powerful AI language model, and how you can use it to create and sell digital products on Etsy. Let's start with the basics. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence tool that can help you generate high-quality content for your website, blog, or social media platform. It uses machine learning algorithms to understand your writing style and generate content that is relevant to your niche. If you're an entrepreneur looking to start a business or expand your reach, Etsy is a great platform to sell your products. Etsy is a marketplace for creative and unique items, and it's a great way to showcase your skills and sell to a wide audience. We'll show you how to design and list your products on Etsy in just a few easy steps. Number 1. Generating product ideas. Before you can start selling on Etsy, you need to come up with a winning product idea. The first step is to ask ChatGPT for some suggestions. So you can use keywords related to your niche or audience to generate a list of broad ideas to choose from. Do you make jewelry, candles, or clothing? Identify your product and your target audience. This will help you create a unique and attractive listing that will stand out from your competitors. Once you have some ideas, it's time to narrow down your focus. Identify your target audience by asking ChatGPT for potential niches or target audience. For example, if you want to create a printable planner, you can focus on the self-improvement niche. Now that you have a clear idea of what you want to create, it's time to do some research on Etsy. Look for products in your niche by typing in keywords related to your product in the search bar. Analyze the products that show up in the results by keeping two key things in mind: the number of reviews and the frequency of new reviews. A product with a high number of reviews and consistent new reviews is usually a good sign that it is selling well. Take a closer look at the product's design, style, and the number of pages it has. Read through the reviews to see what people like and dislike about the product. Now that you've analyzed relevant products on Etsy, it's time to design your digital product. Use ChatGPT to help you with the design process. Type in the layout and design it you want, and after some trial and error, ChatGPT will generate a detailed layout that you can use as a base. Remember, you don't want to copy the design exactly, but instead use it as a starting point to create your own designs. For example, if you're creating a habit tracker, use the design as a case and create your own unique and high-quality habit tracker. Now that you have a clear idea what you want your end product to look like, it's time to start bringing your vision to life with the help of Canva.com. If you haven't used Canva before, don't worry. It's incredibly user-friendly and easy to navigate. Once you log in, all you have to do is search for the type of design you want to create, and Canva will provide you with loads of ready-to-use templates. One of the best things about Canva is how customizable its templates are. You can easily move elements around, change colors and fonts, add or remove elements, and so much more. The possibilities are endless, and with Canva's user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, creating professional-looking designs has never been easier. Plus, the platform has a vast library of free and paid elements, such as illustrations, icons, and photos, to enhance your design even further. Once you've finished designing your listing images, it's time to take them to the next level with the help of pre-built templates. Now that you have your product and listing images ready, it's time to open up your Etsy shop and list your first product. The best part is that opening an Etsy shop is completely free. Bear in mind, though, that listing a product does cost 20 cents, but it's definitely a small price to pay for the big bucks you're going to be making in the future. Once you click on Open Shop today, you'll need to fill in the details about your store and some personal information. Etsy requires you to list one product to open your store, but don't worry. You can put anything here and then delete the listings afterward. Once you're in, you'll be taken to your dashboard, and you have all the settings you need to manage your store on the left-hand side. The first thing you need to do is edit your shop profile, add a photo and banner, and upload your picture. Are you ready to start selling digital products on Etsy but don't know where to start? Look no further. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of listing your first digital product on Etsy and generating passive income. Select the appropriate product category. Once you have settled on a title for your digital product, it's time to select the appropriate product category. In this case, your product falls under calendars and planners. Make sure to set the renewal option to automatic and select digital as the product type. Add detailed product information. Now that you've selected the appropriate product category, it's time to add more details about your digital product. You should tell potential customers what's included, the features and benefits, and how to use it. If you're not sure how to write a product description, you can use GPT to generate one for you. Remember to add tags related to your product to make it easier to find. Set the price and quantity. After adding detailed product information, set the price and quantity. It's a good idea to start with a lower price to attract buyers and increase it gradually as you gain more sales. Upload the PDF print file. Once you are happy with everything, upload the PDF print file that contains all the templates your customers will receive after purchase. Then, click on Publish, and congratulations, you have successfully listed your first product on Etsy. Keep up the momentum by regularly adding new products. One of the best things about Etsy is that they handle the delivery and payment process for you, making it a really easy and great way to generate passive income through digital products. Once you have created your digital product, it's time to start selling on Etsy. Create a shop on Etsy and list your digital product. Make sure to optimize your listing by using keyword-rich titles, descriptions, and tags. Promote your product on social media platforms such as Instagram and Pinterest to reach a wider audience. You can also consider offering a discount or a freebie to attract more customers. Building a sustainable passive income stream takes time and effort, but it can be a great way to supplement your income or even replace your full-time job. With ChatGPT, the possibilities are endless, so why not give it a try and see where it takes you? Who knows? You could be making $2,300 a week in no time. So this is it for today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Comment below and tell us if you guys liked this video and if it was helpful for you. Also, check out our other videos on the screen. We'll see you in the next one.